Hey guys, welcome to our website, Legal Service Centers, Eviction and Family Law Services. Okay, so right now you're probably on our website and you're debating whether our office is going to be a good fit for you. You perhaps have some tenants, unauthorized occupants that you need removed from your property. So in this video, I thought I would share a little bit more about our office and cover the frequently asked questions, kind of the questions that I would want to know before I hire an office to perform my services. Now, first of all, let me start with our office does not pay for advertisement. Okay, we get referrals, or because we're located in downtown Fontana, we get walk-ins. We've been at the same location for